Did you know that solar panels installed on your roof offer many advantages for the roof itself? Today, West Coast Solar explores the top 3 benefits of solar panels for your roof. Solar panels help protect your roof from the elements, shielding it from rain, snow, and other debris. As a result, your solar array can actually extend the life of your roof, saving you money on roof repairs. Solar panels are generally installed on the part of your roof that gets the most sunlight, which means the array actually protects the shingles from degradation caused by UV rays, expanding the life of your roof. Along with adding a level of protection for your roof, your solar array shades your roof while also absorbing the hot sun to generate power. This helps to cool your home during the hotter months. If you're ready to start enjoying these advantages and more, then get in touch with West Coast Solar to explore your options for rooftop solar installation in Northern California. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.